Welcome to OpenScan channel. Today we are diving into an exciting step-by-step guide to deploy Vyper contracts on the XDC network using Brownie. So let's dive in. First, we need to understand what is Vyper. Vyper is a contract-oriented programming language specifically designed for writing smart contracts on the XDC EVM compatible blockchain. To know in detail, refer to the article. The link is given in the description box. Moving forward, let's set up the environment for deploying the Vyper. Open a terminal and ensure that Python and Brownie are installed or not. To check the Python version, enter the Python version command. If Python is not installed, visit the Python official website and download the latest version of Python. Refer to the article for the link. To install Brownie, enter pip install eth-brownie. Once it is installed, verify it by running Brownie-version, and then it will show us the Brownie and its version name. Now create a directory anywhere you want and hit the Brownie init command. Then a success message will appear. A new Brownie project has been initialized. Open the directory in VS Code, and here you can see it has generated some necessary files in it, such as builds, contracts, interfaces, reports, scripts, test folders, and two Git files. Now go to contract folder and create a file to write a contract code. Make sure to save the file with .vy extension, which refers to the Vyper file, and name the file with the contract name. Then copy the code mentioned in the article, or else you can use your contract code. Once a contract file is created, create a deployment script like deploy.py file in the script folder and write the deployment script in it. Now compile your code by running Brownie compile command. It will take some few seconds. Once compiled, we need to add a network to the Brownie network list. To achieve this, run the displayed command with all the required parameters. After adding, a success message will be displayed. A new network added. You can verify if your network has been successfully added to the list or not by running the Brownie network list command. This will show you all the network in the list. Now you need to add the account from which you will be deploying a smart contract. Enter Brownie accounts new and your account name. For example, I am naming my account as my account. You will be prompted to enter your private key and a password to unlock your account. Provide the required details and press enter to complete the process. Please note your private key should be in a hexadecimal format and do not share or disclose your private key and password with anyone. To check if your account has been added to the list, run the Brownie account list command and all your account list will be displayed. Now to deploy your contract, we will hit this command. Use the network which you have added earlier. I have used Opotam testnet. Here you go. Your Viper smart contract is deployed using Brownie on XDC Opotam network. All the commands used in this video are listed in the xdc.dev article. If you have any queries, please refer to the article. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or post it on xdc.dev.